If you want to go hiking with your Fimi A3 strapped to the back of your rucksack, you will need this 3D printed gimbal protector and the 3D printed motor protectors. The gimbal protector has an inner area that will hold securely the gimbal of the Fimi A3 to stop any shaking about and possible damage while you are walking. The motor protectors are a slight friction fit over the bell housing of the motors. The bottom of the gimbal protector has got two tabs that will take a Velcro strap to hold it firmly in place. With the gimbal protector in place and the motor protectors in place, you are ready to strap the Fimi A3 onto your rucksack and go hiking.